The new Cat S22 Flip is beyond rugged. With mil-spec 810H and IP68 ratings, you can drop, dunk, and even wash your S22 to help keep it germ-free. The Cat S22 has a 2.8-inch main touchscreen display that even works with wet hands and gloves. All on T-Mobile's nationwide network. On the side, you've got a programmable button that you can set to launch your favorite app. The Cat S22 uses USB Type-C charging and has a removable 2,000 mAh battery, which gives you up to 2 days of battery life. The Cat S22 runs on Android 11 Go Edition and has built-in Google Assistant. Just say the keywords to make a call or translate some text. It has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage with a microSD card slot, expandable up to 128 gigs. In the box, you've got the new Cat S22 Flip, quick start guide, battery, USB-C charging cable, and a wall charger. The new Cat S22, an easy-to-use, rugged flip phone rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network.
Your eyes open and gaze ahead through the streets around us. Don't hide your stare. You know want it all. You really gotta give your best. You shouldn't cry. I'll stay with you. So hold me tight. Hold me tight.
Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto.
Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4 turn folding glass from novelty to icon. They change how you experience the world. Let's start with Galaxy Z Flip 4, our most compact flip yet.
Does that feel all right?
That felt like maybe too whispery.
Nope. Sounds good, man. Let's keep moving.
All right.
Slimmer than ever, Flip's matte haze glass finish comes in 4 stunning colors. Eye-catching from this angle, that angle, every angle. The Pocket Ability.
It's one word. Pocketability.
Pocketability. What's pocketability? Got it.
If you like it glossy, pick from 75 bespoke edition color combinations. The cover screen is designed to keep up with your life. Open it, and a whole new world of self-expression unfolds with FlexCam.
Let's cut for a second. Are you familiar with FlexCam?
Yeah, of course. I love FlexCam. FlexCam is nice. No, sorry, what was it again?
Let me just show you, maybe it'll help your read. FlexCam gives you the freedom to express yourself, from video calls to videos to selfies, even from the cover screen, all hands-free.
Okay, thanks.
All right, moving on.
Preview your selfie and include your whole crew hands-free. Shot after shot after shot. Even Instagram is optimized for FlexCam. Capture life from new perspectives. Up high, good boy. Down low, and action.
Okay, great. We can take 5 here.
Up high, down low, and action.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Every angle is your best angle with FlexCam. You can even toggle between screens to suit your view. Flip's upgraded battery powers you through every moment. And with FlexCam, don't worry about shaky videos at night. Z Flip 4 is the ultimate smartphone for self-expression.